Good morning, children. I hope you all are enjoying at home. Besides that, you are completing your work in your classwork copy and watching all the videos seriously. Today I'll teach you subtraction word problems. How to solve subtraction word problems. Now, this is the first problem I have written for you. Problem is Rani has 45 toffees. She distributes 28 toffees on her birthday. How many toffees are left with her? So in any word problem, first you have to find out the required information. What are the informations given? And then you have to think also what to do. Whether you have to do addition or subtraction. So I am reading with you here and finding the what are the informations given here. Here given one girl named Rani. That girl has toffees with her. How many? 45 toffees. So here I am writing that first information in the statement form. Number of toffees Rani has 45. Then next is given what? She distributes 28 toffees on her birthday. What she is doing? Birthday distributing toffees, giving to her friends 28 toffees. So now second information also I will write in the statement form, but children, you will not write after this. You have to write in the second line. Then I will also write here number of toffees she distributes is equal to how many? 28. Then how many toffees are left with her? Asking. See the word here. Left comes. How many toffees are left? So wherever if you see this word, simply that type of problems are related to the subtraction. So now here the third statement we will write. Therefore, this is the sign of therefore. Therefore, number of toffees left with her is equal to 45 minus 28. Then don't write the direct answer because you will get marks stepwise. So it's better you have to show there how the answer is coming. So you can solve there only. I have taught you how to solve the subtraction sums. You can write rough work and then you can write the sum 45 minus 28 and then you solve it. See the ones place. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. Ones place 5 and ones place below that 8. From 5 ones we cannot subtract 8 ones. So you have to use regrouping. So children, you know how to do regrouping also. 4 tens, 5 ones, that becomes 3 tens and 15 ones. Apply the use of regrouping. 15. So now from 15 you can subtract 8, the 7. 15 minus 8 is 7 and from 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So you write here also 17 and then final statement don't forget to write. Then also teacher will cut statement with the unit you have to write. So how many toffees are left with Rani? 17. So 17 toffees are left with Rani. Now I have written second word problem for you. Reading: Asim stitches 34 shirts in a week, while Aslam stitches 29. How many more shirts does Asim stitch? Now here, again what you have to do first, you have to find out the informations. What are the informations given, and you have to frame that in the statement form. Two boys, one is Asim and another one is Aslim. What they do? They are stitching shirts. But here given in a week means in 1 week. That 1 week 7 days are there. In 7 days they are stitching different number of shirts. Like Asim is stitching 34, whereas Aslam stitches 29. We will write that in the statement form first. Number of shirts. First, this boy Asim stitches how many? 34. Then next, number of shirts Aslam stitches. How many? 29. Then how many more shirts does Asim stitches? So if in your word problem, how many more, how many less, this type of words are given, then you have to do subtraction. So first I told you, if left word is given, then you have to do subtraction. Now if how many more, how many less are asking, then also it is a subtraction word problem. Then last statement, therefore how many more shirts? Number of more shirts who? Asim stitch. Because Asim, number you see 34 and here is 29. We know that 34 is bigger than the 29. Then who is stitching more? Asim. Number of more shirts Asim stitches by doing subtraction. Of more shirts Asim stitches is equal to, you have to find by doing subtraction. Then don't forget to do the rough work or the calculation there only, because teacher will check your copy, then teacher will think you have done on your own. Otherwise teacher will think you have seen others' answer and written there. So it's better you solve there. 34 minus 29. Then I have not written here one sentence, but if you want you can write. Now ones place 4 and below that 9. From 4 ones, again not possible to subtract 9 ones. Then again you do the regrouping. 3 tens and 4 ones, that changes into 2 tens and 14 ones. Because always borrow, ones is borrowing from the left side place value. Like ones place, left side, which place is here? Tens place. So taking from there. So here for 2 tens and 14 ones. Now from 14 ones we can easily subtract 9 ones. 14 minus 9. Count after 9 till 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 5. Then 2 tens minus 2 tens 0. So answer is here 5. It means Asim stitches 5 shirts more than Aslam. We will write the final statement. Asim stitches 5 shirts more than Aslam. Now I have written third word problem before you. There are 55 children in a class. If 33 are girls, how many boys are there? So, if out of a certain number, if number of one kind of things is given and we have to find the number of another kind of things, then also this is also subtraction word problem. Here in this we can see class, class, boys and girls both are sitting, and here total number is given of a class and then girls number is given. You have to find out the boys number. So what will you do? Subtraction. First statement is number of children in a class. This information is given here. Total number of children in a class. Then number of girls given. Second information also we will write in the statement form. Number of girls in the class. Then what we have to find? Number of boys. Therefore, number of boys is equal to 55 minus 33. Again, do the rough work there. Rough work. 55 minus 33. Here children, you see 5. Up is 5 and the down is 3. So this word problem is not of the, you no need to do regrouping. 5 minus 3, 2. Again 5 minus 3, 2. Easy one. 22. Final, last, what we have to write? That answer in the statement form. How many boys are there? So, there are 22 boys in the class. Now children, I explained 3 word problems. So I hope you have understood how to solve word problems. Thank you.